support to traditional micro and small industries, an investment-grade energy audit of traditional micro and small industries in 60 clusters, including brass and ceramic, will be facilitated. Financial support will be provided for shifting them to cleaner forms of energy and implementation of energy efficiency measures. The scheme will be replicated in another 100 clusters in the next phase. Priority 7, infrastructure investment by central government. Significant investment the central government has made over the years in building and improving infrastructure has had a strong multiplier effect on the economy. We will endeavour to maintain strong fiscal support for infrastructure over the next 5 years in conjunction with imperatives of other priorities and fiscal consolidation. This year, I have provided 11,11,111 crore rupees for capital expenditure. This would be 3.4% of our GDP. Infrastructure investment by state governments. We will encourage states to provide support of similar scale for infrastructure
देशभरातील पायाभूत सुविधांसाठी करण्यात आलेली आहे. या पायाभूत सुविधांमुळे देशाच्या अर्थव्यवस्थेमध्ये मोठी भर पडली आहे.
For long-term interest-free loans have been made this year also to support the states in their resource allocation. Private investment in infrastructure. Investment in infrastructure by private sector will be promoted through viability gap funding and enabling policies and regulations. A market-based financing framework will be brought out. Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. Phase 4 of the PMGSY will be launched.
प्रधानमंत्री ग्राम सडक योजना टप्पा 4 ची घोषणा देखील आता निर्मला सीतारामन यांच्याकडून करण्यात आली आहे.
Which have become eligible in view of their population increase. Irrigation and flood mitigation. Bihar has frequently suffered from floods, many of them originating outside the country. Plans to build flood control structures in Nepal are yet to progress.
प्रधानमंत्री ग्राम सडक योजना टप्पा 4 च्या अंतर्गत 25,000 देशभरातील गावं आता जोडली जाणार आहेत.
And other sources will provide financial support for projects with estimated cost of 11,500 crore rupees